So today we are in St. Moritz. We're going to take it easy, but this is a pretty view of the town. I think we're going to walk around the lake. It's the big adventure, and then maybe do some more shopping. And the helicopters for construction over there. Probably moving in cement or whatever, because you can't get to these places by truck. So there's a big mountain over there that's in a cloud. It's a gorgeous place. Alrighty, so we are in Moritz, Switzerland today. We walked around for a little while. This is our hotel room. A lot bigger than the last one without the ceiling coming in on us. So we got a little bit of a view over there. And this is our dinner. We went out for lunch. We usually go out one day for food, for a restaurant, and then the second one we'll get salads and sandwiches and eat at the hotel. So we've taken it kind of easy today. It's been a rainy day, so but that's what we're doing. I just thought I'd show you what our dinner looks like, so we'll talk with you later. So we are leaving St. Moritz, and there's nobody in this car train. I think there are some other people, but not many. And this is also, we're not on it, but it's called the Burma Express. So
we'll lead into that.
Yeah. There's a map of the area in the train. We're on that part right there.
Yeah, we're going here to here.
So we're up in the mountains, and we have a frozen lake. I'm not sure what altitude.
Oh, did you see that?
Oh yeah, you get that's the snowplow car.
Yeah,
Guess we're stopping. You see the lake down there with the ice breaking up. I'm sure you guys are tired of mountains, but this is kind of a really still covered in snow. I don't know what, there's a sign. I'm not sure what our altitude is, but I'm assuming it's pretty high.
I'd say like 2,000 feet. We've been going up since St. Moritz, since 1800.
Oh, I just missed a good shot. Yep, I didn't think I was going to film like this today. So that's the tunnel and the train tracks we just came through up there. So we're looping ourselves around and around and around. I did not realize we were up so high. We've looped around, I don't know, 5 or 6 times on different places so far. And I'm assuming we're going down further. Stick that phone out the window too far. But yeah, this is another spectacular train ride. here's our loop. We're gonna do a loop. There's the moo-moose. So today we're in Padova, P-A-D-O-V-A, and we're at a church, and I don't like filming inside churches, but I am filming outside. They brought us back to this courtyard, and the paintings inside the church, I think, are from the, yeah, they're all crypts. And I think that's the people with the paintings on the roof of the church in there. And I think most of the Stations of the Cross is from the 1600s. So the paintings are all darkened. But yeah, that's kind of cool to see that stuff. And then the old crypts, I don't know the dates. If somebody can figure out that date. NDXXV-ID- maybe it's his name. Not sure. So it's gorgeous in here, and the ladies are doing all the flowers and the botanicals. Alrighty. We're still in Padova. Probably pronouncing it wrong, but it's alright. And we found this park with all the statues. I don't know if I didn't film anything about the basilica, but it's right behind it, so I could do a swing around. So that's the Basilica of St. Anthony.
Yep.
Who is a healer. We did get to see a jawbone in there. I think a finger. Everybody is praying, putting their hand on his casket and praying, because I guess he's the healer. So anyways, we thought we'd come over here and have an apple, and then we'll go find another park here in a minute. See if you can see the statue. Yeah, that's it's not the St. Andrew's Basilica, it's a different one. So we're walking back to the hotel, and we found this art. At first looks, it's just nice art, and then come over to this one. That one. So that one's Banksy, the street artist that's so popular, and actually he's got a museum in Venice. So I don't know if that's his work or if it's a copy. It was kind of cool. It's amazing the things you find as you walk around the city and you get out of the tourist areas as we're heading back to the hotel. But yeah, it's been a gorgeous walk, except for currently we're on a busy street. We've got to walk up the river and see a bunch of old buildings and a lot of neat stuff like that. So, but yeah, that was kind of cool. So, alrighty.